Boys, you ready for Character Kidz?
Yeah!
3, 2, 1. Woo! Hey guys, it's finally time for our Character Kidz Big Weekend!
Yeah!
Yeah! Woo! Look at this ginormous box!
Yes, orange, my favourite colour!
What's this? Oh, it's called Pencilly! Whoa! Look at this, guys! Oh, look! It's a little fish!
Yeah!
It's called Little Dippers!
Yeah!
Oh, that's super cute! Wow, look, it's an awesome Gujitsu! Look at this guy!
Yeah, and it's also an elephant!
Oh, he squirts out water as well! This guy's awesome!
Yeah!
Whoa, look at this! What's this? A really rad fart rope! Okay, what else is there?
Oh!
Whoa, look, it's a Gujitsu multi-pack!
Yeah!
We've got Rockjaw versus Golden Blazagon. And they also both squirt out water! Woo!
Yeah.
Whoa, look at this!
Yeah!
Gujitsu Dino Power! Whoa, Roars!
Yeah!
This guy's so cool. He's called Giant Tyro and he's a T-Rex.
Cool!
He's so cool. He's got a new chomp attack. And look how massive he is.
Yeah!
Look, it's a shark in a bottle.
Whoa!
What's this? Oh, it's Treasure X. Sunken treasure. 16 levels of adventure. I'm so excited for this
Yeah.
one. We love Treasure X, don't we?
Yeah!
10 levels of adventure, and will you find real gold dip treasure? This one looks awesome too. Oh, what's this? A Pokemon carry case! Yay! I love Pokemon. Look at this. Ooh, you can open it up and it has a little world inside.
Yeah!
Wow,
We can
that's
fly
so
with it.
awesome! I love Pokemon. Whoa, look at the size of this, guys. I wonder what's this.
Oh,
Look, it's Squeaky!
Squeaky!
Woo!
Wow!
And he's a little balloon dog.
Yeah!
You can pop him with his pin and he deflates. And he wheezes and farts. And you can train him with a squeaky toy. Look at him. Join us on our social media pages and also follow Character Toys to take part in all the fun activities over at the Character Kidz Big Weekend. You can also visit www.characterkidz.co.uk to find out more and to win a Character Kidz box of toys and also an £100 Smith's voucher. Don't forget to check out our next video where we will be showing you some of our favourites from this Character Kidz box this year. Thank you Character Options for sending us all of these cool toys. Thanks for watching guys, bye!